Hi everyone, it's Darian. Today I'm going to be planting some lavender and roses in my front garden. I got 8 of these plants, the lavender grosso perennial. And I'm going to make a hedge here in my front garden. My little lizard friend, I think he went up the rain tube. So what you want to do is create a hole that is bigger than your container. I'm going to pop this out of its pot so I can put my dirt back into this container without making a mess. Look at those roots. Okay, so here's my hole, which this plug will fit nicely in. And I'm going to put in some Espoma organic rose tone. Oh, found a Japanese beetle. Okay, so here's the finished hedge, eventual hedge. I planted 8 here in the front of the house. I need to clean all this up, but and then while we're out here, one of my Eden climbing roses was delivered. So I'm gonna go ahead and plant that. The other one came a few days ago and I already planted it here on the obelisk. Side note, one of my irises bloomed. That's so pretty. Okay everyone, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment letting me know what you want to see in my next video. Thank you.